Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti and
Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Occupied, busy, running fully, in the zone, which is why I'm
Yeah,
really happy, that I'm here. I think thoda bahut I'll be able to match energy and listen in the correct way. Because
yeah.
otherwise,
She's been very busy.
thoda, if I'm in my normal relaxed zone, I will not be able to understand half the baatein jo chal rahi hain. You need to be a little stressed out to understand
Yeah,
the pace with which these songs drop.
yeah.
And jo inka flow hota hai. So yeah, I'm game. I'm ready.
Especially with the Krishna project or song.
Krishna
With the
only. Mainly
extra.
it's Krishna only. It's
Ha,
because of it. Yeah.
exactly. So this dropped a while ago. People are like, where
Yes.
are you? Where are you? आज 11 तारीख हो गई है. The 2nd July को drop हुआ था. Surprise drop.
अच्छा
And अभी comments आना
यार
शुरू
इतनी
हो गए हैं.
जल्दी इतना टाइम हो गया है.
What do you
I
mean?
honestly,
Yeah,
remember the
yeah.
hype that was being created. In my head, it almost feels like 3 दिन पहले की बात है. I'm not
Oh,
even joking.
yeah,
मेरे
because
दिमाग में it's literally feeling like अभी तो drop हुई थी. What is the big deal? Now that you're literally giving figures and saying
even
कि,
I just realized before we started
हाँ,
recording the
हो
number
गया.
of days that have passed because अब तो comments
Yeah.
आ रहे हैं कि दीदी आपको याद है एक रैपर है नाम कृष्णा से उसने ईपी ड्रॉप करी है.
कौन?
I was like, कौन
कौन?
कृष्णा? ओ that one.
Nice. I
कौन तला
love
के
these
बाद कौन
messages.
कृष्णा आएगा? Shit. Oh God.
Hilarious. And
So
apparently this released at some very my type of hour, na? Very early in the morning type.
yes, you were probably the only one in the world who'd
Only
been
person
awake
is
at
awake.
that 6 a.m. And I have to say, it's
Oh.
shocking to me how Krishna still manages to surprise our mom. Like after all their, sleuthing, top-notch detective
Talkergiri,
skills,
knowing
stalkerness,
detective. Yes.
and he
I
put it
like it.
right there. It was in front of everyone's face. He wrote hashtag 6 a.m. in New Delhi, and nobody got it.
He
सब
must have had such
दूसरी
a
चीजें
laugh,
guess कर
na?
रहे. Yeah,
He must have
I don't
sat
know
and
what.
said, कैसे हैं? मैंने उनको सीधा बोल भी दिया तब भी इनको समझ नहीं आ रहा. He must have just sat and had such a good laugh about it.
I don't know if the man laughs. Do you think he laughs? I think he must have had a good chuckle. Must have given him a max for
With his
chuckle,
those
whatever.
yeah, those grills. He was just like warming. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
anyway. So yeah, so he dropped this at 6 a.m. in New Delhi the next morning after he put that
Hmm.
hashtag,
Hmm.
and everyone was shocked. Half the people were sleeping, and I woke up and I had DMs and DMs and DMs. And then, of course, I had to mute my Instagram forever and ever since then, so I don't hear any spoilers. And yet, some of y'all can't control yourselves. So one of the
Hmm.
pages actually tagged me in a reel he made
Huh. Huh.
with a clip from my real talk, and that's how I know that one of the songs on this is a romantic song, because I'd asked him about, yeah, why don't you make love songs, hai na?
I remember that.
So
Yeah.
shout out to Alpha for that spoiler.
I'm really like
And
now, you must have
hmm,
got messages telling you वो romantic song कैसा है, किस type का है? I mean, we'll listen to
nahin,
it, but like,
nahin,
अच्छा कुछ नहीं पता, you don't know about
nahin,
it. मेरे
I
को तो
don't know.
बिल्कुल खैर पता ही नहीं
I
होता,
just know
but
Lisa
yeah.
Mishra is on it. So there's Lisa on this mixtape. There is
हाँ.
mixtape kya, EP. There is Bharg. There
हाँ.
is Faris Shafi and Karma. Dude, from where?
This I remember seeing.
Far.
This I remember
You
seeing
saw
that
it.
Faris
Huh.
Shafi is on it and Karma is also there in it. And I was like, wait, ye combo kuch. Okay, good.
Cool
Come on.
lag raha hai na? Also, because
Yes, now I'm
Faris
very excited.
just did this track with Umair ke album mein na. There was TY and Encore.
Acha.
No,
Hmm.
Encore was with TA, Calm, TY, and then Faris came in at the end of that track. Felony, है ना? Felony tha. Sorry if I'm getting the name wrong, but it was just like Faris just like
मुझे तो लास्ट कोक
blew
स्टूडियो से
everyone's mind.
याद है. हाँ.
Oh, okay, yeah. You weren't with me on that album.
हाँ,
So
I wasn't
so
with you.
he's just been around with Seedhe Maut, and now
Right.
he's hopped onto a track with Krishna and Karma. I mean,
I like.
so last time Krishna and Karma were together was with Raftar and Deep Kalsi on
Yes.
No Mercy. है ना? So Raftar की
Yes.
जगह Faris आ गया, but I think Deep Kalsi is still on the beat of that track. So
हाँ.
So
हाँ.
just one name has been replaced. But theek hai. So that's the 4-track EP. And
Okay.
another thing that I should tell you before we get into it, it's not really a spoiler, but Krishna himself had posted it on his stories that
Okay.
his thought process behind the EP was kind of to bring back the Prospect old Krishna vibe. Some of the unreleased songs, he's kind of recreated them. Some of them which never saw the light of day, they have been brought back.
Wow.
So he said on his story exactly this, that Shut Up, which is the first track, which we're going to watch now, that's the new Krishna, the one we all know him for. उसके बाद जो लीसा का ट्रैक है वो है something he was kind of sounds he was working on in 2017
Okay.
18.
Okay.
And then I think the last two tracks were kind of old Krishna Prospect era almost, and he's just basically had the music reproduced, but the vibe is kind of similar to that old school
So
Krishna.
if we heard it ulta, we'd literally get a whole career graph of his, the way
Probably.
he and his personal journey progressed.
I agree. We should listen to
Right?
it ulta, hai na?
है ना मतलब it could be an interesting thing to like kind of do to actually it also tells us because we only know yes we've heard all his all the songs but to listen
Yeah.
to them in a flow and to see how it changed how his schemes became more complex how he self journey that he was on which kind of reflects in the work
Sonically also. Yeah.
yeah मतलब
No, but
sonically को
I
अगर
think
उन्होंने थोड़ा रीमास्टर कर दिया अभी तो वो
तो वो
थोड़ा सा बदल
शायद
जाता है हाँ
But I
but
feel
yeah I
like
hear you
we'll go in the order that he's
in the
intended
order.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
Otherwise, he
Correct,
wouldn't
correct.
have placed it in this
Other,
order. है ना?
agreed. Yes.
Also, first track का purpose ही first video उसी का आया है तो
हाँ,
there's
हाँ, agreed.
it's
और
probably
सारे
the
videos आए हैं या सिर्फ पहले का आया है?
एक ही
सिर्फ
आया है.
shut up.
I don't know if
हाँ.
any more videos are coming, which is why I wasn't really like sad that
Yeah.
you were busy and we couldn't record till now, because I was
Yeah.
like, maybe more videos will come, then we'll record. But now we don't know. We have
हाँ.
only one video today.
Just shut up, okay? Just shut up. Shut up. I'm just going to say shut up. Now, like, I hope I really want that he said shut up in a certain way because I'm looking for I'm out shopping for a new way to say shut up because I intend to start using it more often.
I'm in the
So I
market.
hope he said it in that. Yes, I'm in the market to use it in the
So,
right way.
yeah, I agree. Let's see how the hook is on this. Shut up, Jesse. I was like, hey, thoda aggressive ही हो गए आप.
I like
First
it.
track में.
Shut up.
And then, so hence the name For the Day Ones. And now we get the thought process, the basic thought process behind it, है ना, before we get into it.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है.
बिल्कुल.
It's number 9 on trending for music right now as we record.
Very
क्या
nice. The way it's written for the day ones, I was almost in my head like day walkers होते हैं वैसे ही like day walkers, day ones वैसे वाले zone में चली गई मैं. So
Also
very good.
सुबह वालों
That's
के
that.
लिए, for the day people, because we drop it in the morning.
हाँ. Yeah.
Third
वो
meaning.
तो सबसे obvious हुआ ना.
It's not so obvious also. You have to.
For the day ones.
Okay, yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
ठीक है.
I
Layers
hear you.
as usual. Okay, so the EP for the day one starts with a signature Krishna track, Shut Up, which is which in Krishna's words is a reply to unsolicited advice and unsubstantiated criticism in an era
Nice.
where everyone has an expert opinion about everything without actually being experts at anything. Hello. Is this for us? Thanks, yaar.
Hello. Couple of things we're experts in, excuse me.
Itna bhi we are not, but still nice. I like it. Let's see who he's hitting
Hip hop
out
ki
at.
दुनिया में तो we are not, we are right. We're not experts in anything and neither have we ever said we are.
Yeah. So, oh my God.
Right?
Listen, hallelujah.
What?
The lyrics are in the description. Can you believe it?
Late react करने का फायदा.
This is music to my eyes. I love it. Okay, finally their team has caught on. Okay, audio credits, Shara, performed by Krishna, produced by Subspace. Why does that sound? Oh, Jatrix wala Subspace. It is Jatrix Subspace. Okay, Subspace is here. I love it. ठीक है, fine.
Right,
Let's just get right into it. Enough talking.
All right.
Okay, let's shut up and listen. 1, 2, 3, play.
We back.
We back.
ये तो सिर्फ करे बात, जब करे बात तो मेरे बारे में करे बात, मेरे बिना तो इनके गाने न चले, खास बिना काम काज, ये पले बड़े न बने बाप। मैंने कभी करे गुण, मैंने करे पाप, यहाँ तो बड़े सांप करे बात जैसे बने पाक। रीफो विद टेकीला करे बंदियों को गीला रहता, जीरा विद हीटर जब ये दिखे सीधा चले हाथ। Whoa now, slow down, 25 शो करे sold out, मुझसे पूछ मत हाल, पूरे साल कटा करूँ जाके माल लगे जैसे कोई go down। Whoa now, slow down, गाने इनके सुने मैं सो रहा हूँ, ये रैपर्स हैं जो किससे पूछोगे तो होंगे ही इनके प्रोनाउन। ये जानते हैं लोग धर्म के लेने के लिए, इनसे पूछोगे तो दे भी फिर पहने के so cold, ऐसे लगे they be feeling the chill again, मेरा flow लगे gold, big gleam is so elegant, rapping faster, masterclass to win, go stack the racks up past the cash up, getting low, acting rack, you lack the facts, the info, albums trap to back up single, ignore करूँ मैंने तो ना हाय बोला, होती इनकी शादी पर ये तो बस चाय सुना, माइक तुला फोजा गॉड मेरी जैसे आए तुला, सड़े पड़े क्यों बेटा खड़े खड़े वाइब दो ना लगू थोड़ा पाए बोला, अभी भी ना माइक छोड़ा पी के ढाई तोला, कभी कभी लंगू हाय थोड़ा साइड हो जा, तेरे गानों से ना कोई हाई पूरा संगल अलग बाय बाय बाय, अब तो भाई सोरा ये दे रहे मुझे अपना ओपिनियन, मैं बोलूँ अबे चुप बे साले, मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरी राय, करामत घुटने काले, ये लौंडे बने बावर्ची, अपनी बातों से खूब पकारे, ये आके क्यों भौंक रहे इधर, मैंने ना कुत्ते पाले, इन्हें बोलो they not ready, ऐसा नहीं होता कि मेरी aim not steady, अगर चाहिए war then of course they gon' get it, interview भी ना चले बिना name drop करे, I'm sick of it, internet bickering, बातों की ना फिक्र bitches sitting there giggling, click a pen, दोगे मुझे धक्का देना just go and kill again, cash flow Krish with a big dick jiggling, not a joke तो करे choke वो, mix the B in the pot with a coco, मेरे सब दोस्त सारे कट तोड़, बोलो सबको I don't give a fuck तो कर believe I need to keep it hundo, खलबली की कल उम्मीद है हमको, verbally या हर गली में जंग हो, चढ़बली या हर बड़ी में मर लो, ले गए हम कुर्सी बावे, गर्मी में कर दूं मैं सर्दियां देख, किसी भी शहर में हो कुछ भी कलेश, I walk with my chest out उर्फी जावेद, you don't know Jack ये beat पे टोचन, she been stalking me जैसे FIFA 4 from a giant in the game, you just reach my scrotum, she can get the pole I mean the totem, खत्म करे बोतली तभी भी ना होटली, तेरे जैसे मारू 10 और जैसे वो चली जाते मुझे वो गली हुड में या हो गली में कम इन को डेली लगे जैसे होटली, खत्म करूं बोतली तभी भी ना होटली, गेम फुल ऑफ क्लाउन मुझे लगे सारे जो करी, बातें इनकी दो गली, नियत इनकी खोखली, हवा मेरी चली जब ना चली इनकी दो घड़ी, ये दे रहे मुझे अपना ओपिनियन, मैं बोलूं अबे चुप बे साले, मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरी राय, करामत घुटने काले, ये लौंडे बने बावर्ची, अपनी बातों से खूब पकारे, ये आके क्यों भौंक रहे इधर, मैंने ना कुत्ते पाले, ये दे रहे मुझे अपना ओपिनियन, मैं बोलूं अबे चुप बे साले, मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरी राय, करामत घुटने काले, ये लौंडे बने बावर्ची, अपनी बातों से खूब पकारे, ये आके क्यों भौंक रहे इधर, मैंने ना कुत्ते पाले।
Whoa.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah.
Top two things that
Huh.
immediately were like had my attention from the get go. Actually, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Okay.
Go for it. Go
First
for
of
it.
all, his voice and his flows. Oh, they're sounding, while it's the same, but yet there is something very fresh about it. Like there's something which is very like, or maybe I'm just listening to him after a long time. That wo bhi ho sakta hai. So suddenly, you know, his finesse, his skill kind of hits you again.
Yeah,
And you're like,
again.
wow, dude,
Yeah,
like he's so
yeah,
good, right?
yeah,
So that happens for sure. He's looking really good. His entire styling and all, the video. The video's been shot so well,
So
and most
well.
importantly, edited. The transitions that, you know,
And
wo
the color.
regular say going into that black and white wala thing, and then that whole sketchy kind of, you know, calculating wala. Oh, beautifully done. Beautifully. The video is making it मतलब sonically तो बहुत amazing है ही, and we'll come to that. But the video is adding it टक्कर की, you know,
Madhavan Krishnesh.
equality. And another person, yeah, Madhavan Krishnesh. And I think one person with
Arvind
something with
Sudhir.
A.
Shot by Arvind Sudhir.
Yeah, so both of them, phenomenal job done, guys. Editor का नाम नहीं लिखा है. I'm assuming they've only sat on the edit as well.
It's Madhavan.
Phenomenal.
So good. Freaking
It's
hell.
one of the better songs, which where and oh, you know, right in the beginning there was this one shot where he is just walking, and then the entire edit around him is like everything is moving super fast, and he's just with side profile walking,
Yeah.
and then you know that whole the busyness and the noise stuff,
Yeah.
you know, is being very beautifully done. Like it is just so aesthetically pleasing to the eyes that आधा आपका, you know, 60% of गाना तो आपको वहीं पे अच्छा लग जाता है because it's looking so amazing. I'm just a visual person, so मेरे साथ तो ये होता है, right? But the song itself, his voice is sounding really nice.
Yeah.
Like, you know, there are times when he goes that fast. In the past, I've noticed उस आवाज़ की थोड़ी variation बदल जाती थी. इसमें आवाज़ की variation बहुत ही smooth, wonderful, and very collected and yet very calm. Like he had that very calm energy, like calmly बजा रहे हो आप किसी की, like very calmly you're just like you're just dropping bars, 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 bars. To the point where at one point I wasn't even really listening. I was just taking in the whole experience of what it's feeling like, the entire presentation which is happening, and when you listen to the whole thing, because if it goes a little slow, you try and catch every word and try and catch. Here, I just kind of surrendered all my analytical and logical side and said, just sit back and just take all of it in, whatever the senses can get, and just enjoy the overall feel of it. Which I have to say, I'm going to listen to the song a couple of more times for sure. And why I'm saying couple of more times, I mean, I'm sure everybody listens to it much more often. I'm not very hardcore hip hop at all, right? So for me, it needs to something I need to feel towards it to
Yeah.
actually go back and listen to it, which I'm feeling right now, full on. अभी मैं सुनने वाली हूँ ये वाला.
Listen, इसको बहुत बार सुनना पड़ेगा ही to get like every line and every bar and every reference and every this thing that he's dropped. मतलब वो इतने
Yeah.
that's the quintessential Krishna thing that he just comes
Yeah.
in, says so many things in such little time, and then the way he says it and the way he flows, his flows change and his switches happen and all the technicalities that he packs in. You can't not.
Yeah.
You have to consume it several times to really
Correct.
start like feeling like, okay, now I've got a grasp on what just happened. you know uh
Yeah.
so wo hi hua, because just like you, at some point I was also like, okay, am I really listening to what he's saying, or am I just, his voice is flowing like it's part of the music, and now
Yep.
I'm just
Yep.
taking in the whole sonic of it as a whole, like, complete listening experience of it. Plus, the visuals are very striking. They were almost like not just distracting me, but giving me other lines of thought in my mind. I'm like, okay, what's happening here? Okay, what is this effect? And again, like I was just seeing the colorist Joyner Thomas. I loved how the video was, like the overall like color of it.
Yeah.
It was. It almost felt like you're going into his mind, the first shot where the camera like zooms in, and it almost felt like you're inside Krishna's mind, even in the spots where the bikers are thing. It's so dark, right? And then then there was that whole like DJ booth that he's at, and then the crowd. It felt like the boiler, like it brought back the Seedhe Maut boiler room event, which we've seen the visuals of. He was there.
Yeah.
um and it gave me that vibe. And then one second. Okay, I'll come to that thought. So it gave me that vibe, and just, yeah, it was almost like this is his inner mind space is what I got out of it. And these are the thoughts that he has all the time, because he's constantly, like, I think he's one of the most criticized artists on the internet. And whether there is a logical reason for it or not, he is just, because he's had beefs and there are camps that
Acha
have
that.
made it
Okay.
their daytime job to hate on him. So, so 9 to 5 wo wahi karte hain. So I'm saying in that sense, and I feel like this is probably, and unfortunately for you, he did not use the word shut up. He said chup
I
be
know,
sali.
चुप हो रहा था.
Chup be sali.
कोई नहीं.
We are still on the market. Anyone that has a creative way of saying shut up, please hit us up. So, okay, so that happened. And of course, I feel like unless we go over the lyrics, we will miss a lot. So we'll do that. They're right here. Thank you, Team Krishna, for putting them here for once. And yeah, I love, this is the first time I think he's worked with this director, if I'm not mistaken. Madhavan Krishnesh. I've not
I can
read
see
this name
future.
before.
Yeah, I think they're going to
Yeah.
be working a lot more together because like
They should.
the end result is phenomenal.
Very nice. I like
Yeah.
that. First of all, that he's wearing that bucket cap. That's what it's called, no? The bucket cap, the side profile thing that you're talking about.
At that
He's
point.
got
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. Oh, I always call it the fisherman's hat. Is it the bucket
उसको
cap?
bucket
That's what
cap
it's called?
बोलते हैं. Google कर.
अरे नाम बदलते रहते हैं, चीजें सेम रहती हैं,
I
हर
know.
10 साल
It
में
is
ना नाम चेंज हो
fisherman.
जाता है.
It is
हाँ,
fisherman originally. That's the OG
हाँ,
name of it.
yes.
So yeah, so he's wearing that, which looked funny because I feel like, was it raining there? It looked like the effect of it. You know, there was this one thing
Do you
where
know at any
he
point when it was? Huh.
I'll tell you, he came towards the camera, this is right at the start, and he's doing this like with his hands,
Huh.
and so the guy in the helmet on the bike, he's also doing this. Did you see that?
Was
Arey,
going
I
so
know it was
fast,
very
it was
fast, but I just saw
impossible
it
to
and I
not.
was like, oh, that's cute.
I really liked
Uh,
that वो एक जो वो कैमरा का नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है ना कि
yeah,
आपको सब कुछ वो ऐसे एक्स-रे विजन टाइप दिखता है जो
he
so
was going
that
round, and
हाँ that was also very nice like there
वहां
were
पे I
so
was
many
wondering who is standing back to back with him, because it
with
was
him
someone shorter
हाँ
than him and he was moving a lot. So I'm guessing it was a dancer. But I was thinking like, is this symbolic of something? But then not really. Also in that corridor where there's like he's wearing a
the
black
red
cap.
corridor
Yeah, the
yeah
red corridor. Those sections, and especially there's so many of him.
yeah
It did feel like you're in his mind, and you know these are all his multiple thoughts that are
I
in
fully
there.
agree with that thought of yours because there was this one line also which he dropped in na lage jaise bipolar or something like that. He even said it. So
Ah,
it
yes.
it was very interesting that how you said that right in the beginning you got that whole vibe that it's within his mind, and if we choose to like kind of go deeper into it and look at it that way, for sure the narrative fits.
You know?
You know the whole yeah.
I'm just taking it as that. But I loved all the visual effects and everything that this video had. It had that proper
It
like,
has a coolness factor also, like full
yeah,
on. Yeah.
very underground yet not type of vibe. Anyway, let's go over the lyrics. Then we will have
Yes.
much to discuss.
Right.
Okay. ये तो सिर्फ करे बात जब करे बात तो मेरे बारे में करे बात. ये तो सिर्फ कर रहे बात जब करे हैं तो मेरे बारे में कर रहे हैं. मेरे बिना तो इनके गाने ना चले खास. Okay, we've heard this before in another song. बिना कामकाज ये पले बड़े ना बने बाप. मैंने कभी करे गुण मैंने करे पाप. यहाँ तो भरे सांप करे बात जैसे बने पाक. Reefer with tequila. I don't know what reefer is. What is reefer? REEFER.
It's a drug, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are correct. Wow. Reefer with tequila करे बंदियों को. Okay,
It's
never
basically
mind.
roofie, isn't it?
It says it is cannabis cigarettes.
Okay, yeah,
Cannabis.
okay, okay. No, correct.
रहता G'd up with the heater. जब ये दिखे सीधा चले हाथ. Okay. Wow, now slow down. 25 show करे sold out. Yeah, he did a lot of shows this year, ना? मुझसे पूछो मत हाल पूरे साल इकट्ठा करूं जाके माल लगे जैसे कोई go down. Okay. Wow, now slow down. गाने इनके सुने मैं सो रहा हूँ. गाने इनके सुने मैं सो रहा हूँ. This was hilarious.
So
This made
mean,
me
एक
laugh.
line के अंदर
I know.
सबका
मैं सो रहा हूँ. They're like lullabies. ये rappers है joke, इनसे पूछोगे तो होंगे ही इनके pronoun. This made me laugh out loud.
That's hilarious.
Best.
And he sung it also really nicely. Like as in,
Yeah.
he delivered the line very nicely.
Yeah. So anyone who takes the pronoun business seriously, he's taken their case also, as one should. Okay. ये जानते हैं लोग that I'm killing it. इनसे पूछोगे तो they be fearing my pen again. So cold ऐसे लगे they be feeling the chill again. मेरा flow लगे gold, it be gleaming so elegant. Rapping fast up masterclass do इनको. Sacking racks up past the cash up गिन लो. Acting whack you lack the facts the info. Album scrapped do back to back up single.
Ooh,
Very
album
interesting.
scrap हो गई and then interesting.
नहीं, पर
And
इस
also the
बात पे
rhyme
डिबेट
scheme
चल रहा
there.
है. मैंने ट्विटर पे
अच्छा.
देखा. वो
Oh.
स्पॉटिफाई पे एक पेज ने पोस्ट किया कि बिकॉज पीपल वर ट्वीटिंग सेइंग हार्ट ब्रोकन एल्बम स्क्रैप्ड. फिर एक दूसरे
हाँ.
पेज ने ट्वीट किया कि गाइस स्पॉटिफाई पे रियल लिरिक्स में लिखा है एल्बम स्टैक्ड.
Oh, so scrap नहीं है, stacked है. But
I think
okay, yeah, that
he's
changes the meaning.
he's playing with Awam over here. We don't know. It's possible. इग्नोर करूं मैंने तो ना ही बोला. इग्नोर करूं मैंने तो ना ही बोला. होती इनकी चांदी पर ये तो बस चाहिए सोना. माइक तो ला फोर्स आई कॉट many जैसे आयतोला, okay. सड़े पड़े क्यों हो बेटा, खड़े खड़े वाइब लो ना. सड़े पड़े क्यों हो
I
बेटा, खड़े
love
खड़े
that
वाइब लो
line.
ना. Yeah.
I love that line. Like, stop taking everything and everyone so seriously. Just like, stop being so sadu. Just like chill.
Vibe लो ना.
I like it. Love that line.
Lagu thoda bi. This was going so fast that it was like hard to keep up with each line. Lagu thoda bipolar, abhi bhi na mic छोड़ा, पीके ढाई तोला. ढाई tola is like alcohol का measure.
तोला has so technically तोला is सोने को जब वे करते हैं तो वो
Yeah.
the Hindi thing for it is तोला, but तोलना is also
To
तोल के
weigh.
पीना, right? So I think he's kind of like pulling that one, like, creating a word which kind of matches with the previous line of jewelry which he's talking, sona, and he's talking about, of course, कि उसको तोल के पीना.
Okay, so it's for alcohol, not other items.
Correct.
Okay.
हाँ, it's for alcohol.
पीके नहीं, वो smoking भी तो पीना ही होता
वो
है
भी
ना.
तोला होता है, correct. So actually it's a term for measurement. It's
Okay,
a
so
term
it's
of
for
measurement.
anything. Okay.
Yeah, but normally for alcohol they don't land up using it, but here he's used it. Normally वो solids के लिए use होता है.
Okay, because the
Liquids के
next
लिए
line is कभी कभी लघु हाई थोड़ा, so हो सकता है कोई.
हाँ, तो वो तोला है. Well
हाँ.
done, Joe. Well done.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Side हो जा, तेरे गानों से ना कोई hype हो रहा. Hilarious. These are the kind. Yeah, okay, I love these lines. Sung a lullaby, bye bye, अब तो भाई सो रहा. Okay, so same thought. नीचे आ
Back
गया.
to
हाँ,
yeah.
ये दे रहे मुझे अपना ओपिनियन, मैं बोलूँ चुप, अभी चुप पे साले, मुझे नहीं चाहिए तेरी राय, करा मत घुटने काले. ओके. ये लौंडे बने बावर्ची, अपनी बातों से खूब पकारे, ये आंखें क्यों भौंक रहे इधर, मैंने ना कुत्ते पाले. ओके, लवली यार. वैसे डॉग्स आर नाइस एनिमल्स, जस्ट से. इन्हें बोलो they not ready, ऐसा ना हो. This is my problem. People like use the word dog in a very negative way, but dogs are the best. I'm just saying.
But they're two different things, na? Dogs are good when they are dogs, but when humans start behaving like dogs, then
But a dog is a nice animal. Its behavior is nice.
yes, so is a snake. Snake by itself is a nice animal. Snake is a very spiritual animal, in fact. But when a human starts behaving like a snake, what is that called? So it's more, humans are always
Okay,
looking for
anyway.
personifications into things,
हाँ,
right? So that's what
fine.
this is.
Fine. I
गाली
would.
गलोच की पूरी बेस मत हिलाओ अभी ये
I
बात
know. I'm
करके,
just saying,
please.
यार. Poor
Just
dogs.
नहीं, surrender.
Okay. Okay.
डॉग्स को कोई कुत्ता नहीं बोल रहा. Dogs are dogs. It's okay.
They are loyal. They are वफादार.
Yeah, of course they are.
sweet.
Yes, of course
Okay.
they are.
Anyway, इन्हें बोलो they not ready, ऐसे ना होता कि मेरी aim not steady. अगर चाहिए war, then of course they gonna get it. Interview भी ना चले बिना name drop करे. Oh, okay. I'm sick of it. Internet bickering. बातों की ना फिकर. Is sitting there giggling. Click a pen. दोगे मुझे धक्का, then I just go and kill again. Cash flow, Krish. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Not a joke though. Kare choke wo. Mix the B in the pot with the cocoa. What is
Okay.
B in the pot?
Moving on.
Okay. मेरे सब दोस्त सारे cut throat, बोलो सबको, I don't give a do. कर believe I need to keep it hundo. Hundo is 100 है ना? I'm guessing. कर believe I need to keep it hundo. खलबली की कल उम्मीद है हमको. खलबली, I've not heard this word in a long time. Since A.R. Rahman
Rang
used
De
it.
Basanti?
Yes.
Everyone heard Khalbali only.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. We were introduced to it there and now it has come back in our lives. Verbally, यहाँ हर गली में जंग हो, चढ़ बली, यहाँ हर बड़ी में मर लो. My God, look at the scheme here. The rhymes.
Too good. It
है
is
ना?
too good.
The
Yeah, yeah.
finesse in his
मतलब सुनने में
writing
it's
and his
easier.
flows.
आप सोचो एक ब्लैंक पेपर पे जब आप लिख रहे हो तो आप कैसे सोच के क्या कहाँ पे डालोगे? How?
Yes,
You know,
and the,
that's where the magic is. Wow.
it's, the delivery of it is so crisp and clear. This is why I say Krishna fans are spoiled fans. इस
Hmm.
फिनेस कहाँ आपको मिलती है नॉर्मली? क्लैरिटी, फिनेस, एवरीथिंग. हाँ, so the finesse is too much. Now next, I think last few lines. ले गए हम, हाँ, ले गए हम कुर्सी बावे. कुर्सी लिखा है यहाँ पे, KUDSI. कुर्सी, कुर्सी होगा. ले गए हम कुर्सी बावे, गर्मी में कर दूं मैं सर्दी यहाँ देख. किसी भी शहर में हो कुछ भी कलेश, आई वॉक विथ माई चेस्ट आउट. उर्फी जावेद. I had no idea who Urfi Javed is until recently.
Why would randomly pull in Urfi Javed in this?
I asked this because some pages were sending me this thing, and I was like, "Who is Urfi Javed?"
No, I know who she is. Yeah, but what my question is, but why pull her into it? Like,
Because
is there some beef that's happened, some conversation,
no,
some collab, something's happened?
no,
What is
because
going on? I
she's
don't know.
famous for having her chest out.
No, वो तो ठीक है, okay.
So
But
that's
then there are so many women who are famous for that. Why specifically her?
no. Her is on another
अच्छा,
level.
अच्छा, okay.
Matlab it's out,
Okay,
out.
ठीक है.
Sorry, I'll tell you offline.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So anyway, I didn't know, and I was like, but what is the actual profession? Apparently, I don't know, model, actor, something, but is
No,
famous
and
for her
she's a podcaster and
outfits.
a YouTuber.
Oh, I
Yeah,
didn't know.
yeah.
Okay.
She's with
Whoever I
one of
asked didn't tell me.
yeah,
So
yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, cool. So anyway, that's a reference.
Hmm.
You don't know Jack. ये beat पे Tochin. You don't know Jack. ये beat पे Tochin. TOCHEN. What is Tochin?
Tochin, I've heard. Tochin is a um, टोचन इज वो टोचन देना आई थिंक या तो बाइक का वो जो टोचन देते हैं
Oh,
या तो वो है एंड आई कुड बी फुल्ली रॉन्ग इन दिस आई हैव हर्ड द वर्ड बिफोर बट आई कांट रिमेंबर इट बिकॉज इट्स
it's
आई
showing me
कांट
some cable. Some cable. It looks like a bike cable.
या जहाँ तक मुझे याद है कि वही होता है बट आई कुड बी लाइक I've heard the word I can't recollect it and right now I couldn't be bothered to
हाँ
focus
हाँ.
भाई
It's
के
a, it's
कहाँ
it's
से
a
मैं
it's a tool. Okay. ये
हाँ
beat पे तो she be stalking me जैसे fee fi fo fum.
what Fee-fi-fo-fum what is that
No, it's from that story, that storybook. Fee Fi Fo Fum was that giant,
I
this
don't
thing. I
know
don't remember it exactly what the story was, but Jack and the Beanstalk, stalking.
oh उसमें Fee-fi-fo-fum कहाँ था
I think, yeah, Jack and exactly. Yes, I
but
remember
when
from
was
my school day.
Fee-fi-fo-fum I
So
don't
Fee
remember
Fi
this
Fo Fum is the first line of a historical quatrain, or sometimes couplet, famous for its use in the classical English fairy tale Jack and the Beanstalk. Fee fi fo fum, I smell the bones of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind
So
his
it's
bones
from
to
a
make my
song.
bread.
Oh,
It's from a
wow.
fairy tale.
Nursery rhyme.
Jack and the Beanstalk का एक
Beanstalk का fairy
video
tale.
film movie थी that I
अच्छा,
used to watch as a kid. So that's where I remember it.
very
She's been
nice. I
stalking,
don't think I ever saw it.
stalking me, Jack and the Beanstalk. I love it. Oh my God, where did he?
So
What a
nice. Very
connection.
nice.
Fee fi fo
Yeah.
fum. A giant in the game. You'll just reach my. She can get the pole. I mean the totem. Really nice. Well said.
Yes.
Wow, very nice.
Very
Okay,
nice.
but the lyrics end here. But he did have some lines later. I
I
think it
think
was the
that those were
chorus
repeated, no?
repeated.
Yeah, it was, yeah,
The
correct.
chubbe sale bit. I just felt bad for
हाँ.
you that there was no shut up in the song. Shut up
नहीं
होना
इतना भी बुरा फील करने की जरूरत नहीं है इट्स ओके हाँ very it's okay
Anywho's, हाँ ठीक है.
maybe I'm just supposed to switch to chubbe I can go back to that there used to be a time when I used to say chubbe I used to like use that so often
Chubbe.
and then like you know like I'm talking like very long back maybe school type mein I used to like chubbe constantly I
But
think maybe
that's
I have time
also
to
a
go back.
Punjabi thing, no? Chubbe. Chubbe.
Is it a Punjabi thing? I thought
I
it's a
don't
Hindi
know.
thing.
Oh, okay, fine. A bit
It's
chubbe
just
sal.
it's an Indian thing.
It's an Indian thing.
Sabko was chubbe is like a sentiment by itself.
Very nice. Okay, so let's go to the next song. We are going to cover 2 songs and then 2 songs. That's how we'll do this. ठीक है. So next song, according to the track list,
Yes.
one is I think the Lisa song, if I'm not mistaken. What's up?
Fiend.
Rizzy Rico. It's called What's Up.
What's up?
Shut up and
What's
then
up?
what's
What's
up.
up? Shut up. What's up?
Any more
I'm in a zone
variations?
today. Shut up. Shut up, Chube.
Shut up.
Okay, sorry.
That's how
it
I
just
used to
comes.
say it. Shut up. Sorry. I don't think you want to use that.
No, there was a very lame time in the 90s when anybody said shut up the way you were saying it, and suddenly everybody like shut up, like they used to like create all those, and we used to think it's so funny, like the whole like punning on that, and we were like we're such lame kids. 90s kids, I think, were the
I'm sorry.
lamest.
I was very cool. Speak for yourself. But
वही तो लेमनेस है ना
the coolness
कि
has
हमें
lasted.
लगता है हम बड़े कूल हैं लेकिन बाहर वालों से पूछो
नहीं,
कि हम कूल
हम
थे कि
हैं।
नहीं नहीं वो
No,
that's
no.
that's the part that's part of the paradox. That's exactly the problem.
We
Shut
will
up.
just
This
believe what we
one-
want to. That's it.
Yeah, wahi. That's the main thing.
Okay, so this is produced by Riz Shen, again, a new name. Composer Krishna, composer Lisa Mishra, lyricist Krishna and Lisa Mishra. So first of all, I'm very glad that they are working together. It's been a long time pending, I feel, considering the amount of like tweets and all I've seen. And also because like when she did Rider with Divine,
Yeah.
and I think Jonita's also done a track with Divine, couple of tracks now, I think. I just feel like these are two, and not just because they have their sort of R&B-ish classical everything background. I just feel they are stellar performers and singers, both of them, Jonita and Lisa. So because like I followed them right from the time they were doing covers on YouTube, and Lisa too, especially, I don't think she had her own channel also. Like I actually saw her in a video of these group of boys who are from, I think, University of like Urbana-Champaign or something, Illinois. उनके साथ वो एक cover में थी, sitting on a stool behind a mic, and the 4 guys with her. That's where I first heard her, and this before she had like the hit song with in Rhea Kapoor's film. Which one was it? Tarifa. So before she moved to Bombay and all, so I was following her then, and then when she landed in Bombay, like I was a fan anyway, and I was playing her covers on my show. I remember I sent her a pair of jujus as well. I don't know if like
so cute.
She wouldn't even know it was me, but when I'd launched the brand, I'd sent her a pair. So anyway, I just love her voice. I think she and Jonita are two of my favorites in that sense because they can carry any kind of vibe, whether it's desi or not desi. And I think they make for a very good fit in the hip hop and rap space, with the artists. So I'm glad that they've got this track. अब देखते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं
In
भाई
the
साहब.
scheme of things, what you had said earlier, that each track represents like a certain phase of his life. This particular song, according to him, fits in which phase?
I think
Or
what
this
he
is current?
said, I think if I remember correctly, it was 17, 18 May, the kind of songs he was making, which were never released. This is in that
So
space.
this is from that. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay.
Unless it's pre. No, it's that space.
That
So
space.
ठीक है.
Got it.
ठीक है. Let's listen to it. यहाँ पे lyrics नहीं है, but it's just the audio version of it. So we might look elsewhere for the lyrics later. ठीक है. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम, cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान, she said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम, cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान, baby why you looking at me doubtful? तुम्हारे लिए मैं करूँ जितना भी चाहो तुम. रखो विश्वास, रखो थोड़ा डाउट कम, दिए बिना चांस how you ever know the outcome. करूँ तुझसे बातें पूरी रात ये, बोलूँ चल तू मेरे साथ ये, if you want ये, होती नहीं छुपा के मुलाकातें, if you really wanna talk ये, pull up आके, yeah I'm a player मुझे मारने तो बाजी, पर तेरे लिए हूँ मैं हारने को राजी. एक बार तू पुकार मुझे याद कर, जानी ये ज़हार कर डाली जैसे प्यार रे कवालिया. She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम, cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान, she said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम, cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy,
was meant to be. फिर साथ मुझे तू ले चल. Can we stay up all night? Can you make sure you're by my side? ना कोई बात जो तुझसे छुपाई. No lies. ना कोई प्यार है ऐसा. तेरे चैन में चैन है मेरा. छोड़ के ना जाओ अब मेरी जान.
She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम. Cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान. She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम. Cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान.
Don't leave me, leave me, leave me, yeah. Don't leave me, leave me, leave me, yeah. छोड़ के ना जा, baby, yeah. Never known a love like this. You're my ecstasy, my bliss, yeah. I'm calm. Baby, तू ही है मेरी जान.
She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम. Cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me. मेरी जान. She said what's up, मैंने बोला मेरा नाम. Cause baby on top is where I belong. वो बोली take it easy, I'm calm, I hope you don't leave me.
I'm gonna be singing this every day. I hope you don't leave me, Mary Jaan. Presenting John. What is this outro?
Yeah, what is this outro?
It happened in the
And I
last
thought
track
maybe
also.
it's a video thing that maybe they intend to, like, or they're experimenting with
something in
something,
the-
or they're like, why not, कुछ करते हैं. And end में just ऐसा एक outro, create करके.
It's a very
And,
Umair thing. Umair also does this. Oh, Umair, no.
Many people do
Many
it.
people
Like,
do,
yeah,
yeah.
I think, yeah. But I didn't see the point of it here, though. Unless there is something which, unless it's like an intro to maybe a next song, or like it's something to create a base for something else which is coming, or there's some other conversation going on. I didn't see the point of it, the end wala thing. But maybe there is something, but we don't know about it. But that's like right at the end. Otherwise, the beats, there were moments when I was like, whoa, like, it was very Riz Shane, right? He's the producer on this.
Yeah, Riz.
Very nice.
On Spotify, it says
It
Riz.
had some really good.
Rizirico.
Even in the acha, full name like that. Like, yeah, because if you scroll down, it says Riz Shane. But
Yeah.
the beats and the general, this thing was very nice. Like the vibe and the feel of the song was very nice.
It is Shane, sorry.
I don't know, I'm feeling like the song is incomplete. मुझे ऐसे थोड़ा अधूरा सा कुछ feeling हो रही है.
I
मुझे समझ
agree.
नहीं आ रहा क्या.
I feel this is just a thought, and because I've heard Khoya Sab with Lisa and Youngie on the Karam album, where it was one of the best tracks on that album, and her vocals and everything was like oof, amazing. Where she harmonized with Youngie while he was singing the hook.
Acha.
And that when they harmonized, it just blew my mind. I loved it. It was so smooth.
Acha.
And I wish something of that sort had happened here. So while I loved her section and her verse, and
Yeah.
it was, like it didn't make me go, whoa. It was pleasant on the ears because her voice is just that smooth.
Yeah.
I feel like there could have been some place, especially I feel like the song ended too quickly with that outro bit.
Yeah.
वहां पे अगर वो 2 बार कुछ हार्मोनाइजिंग करते या कुछ करते एक साथ, वो थोड़ा सा और एक्साइटिंग हो जाता.
Because I felt like even in the lyrics, like, or maybe I didn't grasp it, but I felt like दोनों ने अपनी side की बातें की. They spoke about generally whatever, but there is storytelling in a song, right? Especially if it's if it's two people coming in, like there needs to be something,
Some angle
so
to
that
it.
story kind of progressed, then went, but Act 3 के पहले ही खत्म हो गया गाना. So Act 1 and 2 happened, but Act 3 हुआ ही नहीं.
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसे feel हुआ.
I
Um,
agree. I agree.
but I'm sure if we go through the lyrics, maybe that wasn't the case. Maybe it's just a, it's a thing of just listening to it the
It
first time. And
was.
it's such
Yeah.
a different space. But kudos to Krishna for trying a different thing. I've not heard him do this kind of stuff
I
before.
agree. I agree.
है
I
ना?
feel like as soon as the song started, his voice ka treatment and sound was so good. It was so good. It instantly hit me. I was like, I love this sound. And the way his just the way his voice sounds, because now we've noticed that there's a lot of variation that comes in the vocal delivery and the texture in a lot of his songs, and I think that's
Right,
brilliant.
right.
Whether that's
Shows that he's working on himself.
yeah,
Absolutely.
whether that's done during the recording phase or during the mix mastering phase, we don't know. Either way, it's just beautiful to see that the same man can sound so different and give a sort of different sonic vibe through just his voice in every track. So that really stood out to me right when it started. The
Yeah.
the lyrics of the song were very simple. It was just, guy saying what he needs to say to the girl, girl saying what she wants to say. And like you said, Act 3 was missing. So it felt a little too short
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
slightly incomplete in that sense. Overall, the hook I felt was very vibey.
Yeah.
Um,
For sure.
and I
Yeah.
love the
But there was
use of
another.
Mary John.
Mary
It's my
Nice. Yes.
favorite word. So that I
I do
liked.
feel that when I was listening to the lyrics of it,
Hmm.
it's like when you enter a space which is not your comfort zone, when you're trying something new, and when all
Hmm.
of us, any of us, when we try something new, we always, or where we don't have our expertise, where years and years of practice and improving and all that hasn't happened, then that first time we play it super safe
Super same.
and we
I
go
knew
into
it.
it very easy. Like, कि what is the tried and tested formula जो 100% काम करेगा, और ये बेसिक होता है क्योंकि पहले आपके बेसिक पैर जमेंगे तब आप जाके आगे एक्सपेरिमेंट करोगे, राइट?
Yeah.
सो आई फील दैट दिस सॉन्ग इज दैट पैर जमाना इन दिस जोन वाला
Dipping the
feel.
feet in the pool
Yeah, like just seeing
to test the
within
water.
with my own skill, can I? If I do, what will it sound like? Tudip. Like, it's that. But
It's
it's the quintessential, that tadka of which we expect from a Krishna
yeah.
song, that's
I'll
entirely missing in this.
yeah.
And that does not mean that it cannot happen in love songs. One can imagine that if Krishna begins doing lovey-dovey songs, but in his own way, his own style, what his own element that he can bring to it, I think future mein hi pata lagega. And I hope he really doesn't stop making these songs. Every once in a while, now that he has, popped the cork on this one. So I think slowly he should keep making more of these.
Yes. So to
Yeah.
carry on that thought, what you just said about dipping the feet in the pool and the whole skill thing, I feel it's
Yeah.
beyond skill. The skill is there. This man's pen game for me is the best in the country. There is no lack of skill there. There's only
But
probably a
in
bit of
love
shy.
genre,
I'm
his,
you know
because
what?
love
He might have
songs are written
written.
very differently.
I know, but you don't know. He might have written, he said this is
He might have.
2017-18. He
Yeah.
said also in Real Talk that I've made these songs a lot back in the day.
Correct.
The
Correct.
thing, I don't think there's a thing in the writing part of it or the emotion part of it. I feel like it's more of a fear of will the audiences reject it or not. And I sense this generally from a Krishna, like overall. I'm not talking about this thing, but it's
This
also like,
particular track.
okay, let me give them a small taste of what I can do or say on a track of this theme and see what the response is. So exactly what you
Right.
started off with, that sort of like
Yeah.
thoda safe aap play karte ho when you try and venture out of your zone into another one.
Yeah.
Just to test the waters. How warm is it? How
Yeah.
cold is it? And then to see what I can build on. What did people like more? What did they
Yeah.
specifically point out, which is I can take as constructive, feedback.
Correct.
So I feel that's what's happened. I don't think there's a lack of skill. And I was thinking this, like with so in this track, what I also liked about the two of them coming together is, they both can carry off Hindi and English very effortlessly and switch from one to the other effortlessly. And it sounds
Yeah.
very, very smooth, very,
Yeah.
very international in that sort of sense.
Yeah.
so when he has the ability to do that, and he has that sort of cultured upbringing, there is that thought that comes to my mind, like, if he doesn't venture into these kind of spaces and these kind of themes in his music, um it'll be such a waste. It'll be such a waste, because where is there ever going to be another artist like Krishna? There isn't. The collection of things that has made him who he is, all the life experiences, all the the formative years ka influences and blah, the hip hop knowledge that he has, the finesse in his skill and craft that he has, there will be other artists. You can say that about every artist. There is no one like another. But
Correct.
someone of
Yeah.
his particular combination
Caliber.
of skills and background and everything, नहीं होगा, फिर से नहीं होगा. और फिर there was this has made me think. I don't know if you remember this. There was a whole thing. He was getting a lot of flack on Twitter about having the same kind of songs and the same kind of things in his songs. So then, and I remember this again. It was on the news, hip hop news. Ki somebody had asked him this on Reddit or Twitter, I don't know where, but he had actually given a text reply to someone about this topic, and said that, like a batsman is good at batting and a bowler is good at bowling. Some, artists are good at one thing and then they stick to that lane and you go to that artist for that kind of thing. And I thought the reply was very logical, right? I thought, okay, the logic is sound. You
Correct.
can't argue the logic of this.
Correct.
But again, अगर आर्ट में आप लॉजिक ले आए तो वो साइंस हो गया ना. फिर वो आर्ट का रह जाए. I'm
लेकिन
just
art
saying.
is science.
I know.
Like
I
art,
know.
it is, yeah. So I agree with him. Like I agree
Yeah.
because
I
I've
don't
seen the
disagree with
practical
him.
side of, I know, but I agree with him more than the other side which you're talking about, because I've practically seen it. Like for example, if I'm a voice actor, right? I have had practice of VO work forever. Now dubbing and VO are literally together. Right? One would say कि अरे अगर आप VO artist हो तो आप dubbing बहुत आसानी से
know.
कर सकते हो.
You
I
told
am
me.
really bad at dubbing. Really bad. और मैंने काफी कोशिश भी की है, सीखने की, लेकिन मुझसे नहीं होती. वो breath pattern ही I cannot catch on. Now somebody who doesn't know, or sitting outside will look at me and go, "Arey, but you've been a voice actor for so long. Why can't you do dubbing? Dubbing is part of voice acting." Yeah, but it's not. So
It's a whole
this is what I
different
mean.
thing.
That my art itself, where you will see me shine and suddenly you will be like, "Wow, you're so good." So if somebody sees me dub, they'll be like, "She's crap." So my entire art has gone down the drain because I am not good at that one thing, although they are the same thing. So I feel that genre-wise, musically also, like that is a very real fear. That if one is excelled at one side of it, and then when you're changing genres, like for example, I cannot imagine a king who now has excelled the whole romantic zone, in his songs. When I imagine him doing other kind of stuff, I don't appreciate it as much as I kind of really like his voice with the whole romantic side of things. So while this is true, when Krishna is trying something, when he's going into that new zone and with this song, that new lane, and he's playing it super safe and super little bit like, थोड़ा सा try करके देखते हैं, फिर धीरे 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 लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस करके इसके अंदर पटाखे फोड़ेंगे, but like slowly let's go into it. So I feel that that's a fair way of going into it. So I agree with the strategy.
I
I know
agree.
you also agree. I'm just
It's
putting forth my
yeah.
part of it.
I agree with that whole, let's test the waters and things, which is why I like the fact that he did the song, and he did it in this way where it's not too much also of emo rondu zone. Like it's not a Tala Anjum sort of zone. It's
Yeah.
also kind of like in a commercial-ish space. And
correct.
and it's still saying
ज़्यादा झटका नहीं लगेगा.
थोड़े हाँ वो दिल की बात भी हो रही है, so it's not this thing. But what I also want to say that if you are a good dubbing and voiceover, just to take your example forward, is there are two very different things, completely different verticals within the same audio space and recording space. And of course, on the outside, it will seem like it's one and the same thing. Everyone should be able to double up as anyone, just like people want all-rounders. They're like an all-rounder
Correct.
is much better than just someone who can bowl and just someone who can bat. Like, not that
Correct.
it's better or
Yeah.
worse, but people like it if there's more all-rounders
Correct. So
around.
one just has to put that
So
much effort into it.
yeah,
That's all.
so I
आपको
just
सीखना पड़ेगा and
yeah.
yeah. And
तो
which is
मेरा
what I think
पॉइंट
Krishna is doing.
हाँ, तो मेरा पॉइंट वही था कि आपके पास है बहुत सारा स्किल, तो आप स्लोली
Correct.
स्लोली उस पे
हाँ,
भी कर सकते हैं, यू नो, स्टेप इनटू दैट
बिल्कुल,
स्पेस, एंड
बिल्कुल.
उससे लाइक कुछ लॉस नहीं होगा आपका ट्राई करके, बेसिकली, यू
हाँ,
नो,
हाँ. And
आप
if at his
नीचे नहीं
caliber,
जाओगे.
his level, you know, and
हाँ,
his level of fame, his level of the number of years he's put into it, if someone like him won't try, who is supposed to try then? Like, you know,
this
और
is what
कौन
I'm
करेगा?
saying. This is exactly what I'm saying. Like, imagine, because I don't think, and he's admitted this himself, he is his biggest critic. So I don't think he's going to make anything go out into the world or release anything unless he is 2000 times sure of it, you know, that is worth for
Yeah,
the world to hear it.
yeah,
So if you have that much of self-criticism happening already at your end, then I'm sure
yeah.
anything you put out in that kind of zone would have already passed the biggest, you know,
Correct.
critique
Yeah,
levels. And I think if you are able to venture stronger into these zones, imagine the kind of songs we'll get. Like, for me, it's just about the art of it, right? Imagine out of this one artist, how much beautiful art is actually possible. Like, the possibilities in my mind are like, oh my God, I hope that happens.
endless.
Yeah.
Like I can also imagine the झटका people might have felt with this, because imagine अगर आपका
Right.
कोई favorite rapper है जो बहुत गाली गलौज करता है और suddenly वो बच्चों के गाने गाना शुरू कर दे, so suddenly it's like a झटका ना,
Yeah.
like it's like wait what did you just do,
I
like you
did.
know, like nursery rhymes you're suddenly singing. तो यहाँ पे it's not that, but like I'm talking about a drastic genre shift
Yeah.
जो ये नहीं है, you know.
ये नहीं है.
Love is very much a part of
Yeah.
everything what we talk about, because अगर हम लड़कीबाजी की बात करते हैं तो हम गुड साइड ऑफ लव की भी बात कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो
For
anyway,
sure. More
yeah.
importantly, I feel yes. But I feel this is great. This is a good, like, dip into the pool, the romantic love songs ka pool. And and I, you know, Lisa's part, after her first few lines, as it progressed, I got such strong, like, deja vu type feeling of, I don't know if you've heard this song, The Boy Is Mine, Brandy and Monica.
Of course
One
I
of the
have.
it's a classic. It's one of the
Boy
biggest
is
R&B
mine.
hits, right? It gave me fully that vibe. Like, just, I don't know
Really?
whether it was melodically or whether it was just the way her voice was coming out in those portions. Even the last couple of lines that she sang, it was totally in that zone. And I was like, oh my God, The Boy Is Mine is happening. I really liked what she did on the track. I honestly, let's quickly read over the lyrics. I think they'll be
Okay.
quite short to go over. But I feel, आ गया, what's up? It's on Genius. वो बोली, take it easy. I hope you don't leave me, Meri Jaan. I like the start. I like how that whole treatment was there. She said, what's up? मैंने बोला मेरा नाम. This is such a high school joke, na? What's up? The ceiling.
ये वो शर्ट अप वाला जोक है.
Yeah. Was baby on top is where I belong, okay? वो बोली, take it easy. I'm calm. I hope you don't leave me, Meri Jaan. Okay, I like the Meri Jaan. That was nice. The baby I did not like, but ठीक है. Baby, why you looking at me doubtful? तुम्हारे लिए मैं करूँ जितना भी चाहो तुम. रखो विश्वास, रखो थोड़ा doubt कम. लिए बिना chance, how will you ever know the outcome? करूँ तुझसे
agree.
बात. That's true. That's true. करूँ तुझसे बातें पूरी रात, yeah. बोलू चल तू मेरे साथ, yeah, if you want, yeah. होती नी छुपा के मुलाकातें, if you really want to talk, yeah, pull up out, yeah. Yeah, I'm a player, मुझे मारने दो बाजी, गर तेरे लिए, ओ बाजीगर, गर तेरे लिए हूँ मैं हारने को राजी. ओ, हार के जीतने वाले. अच्छा, I like it. Yeah, I'm a player, मुझे मारने दो बाजी, घर तेरे लिए हूँ मैं हारने को राजी. घर तेरे लिए या घर तेरे लिए, I don't know, but
घर ही होगा,
बाजी, घर तेरे लिए हूँ मैं हारने को राजी. एक बार तू पुकार मुझे याद कर जानी. जान जानी, I like it.
जानी.
All the variations of Jaan I like. इजहार कर डाली जैसे प्यार है कवालिया. Okay, very
With
nice.
Jani and Kavali. Acha, nice.
Okay, then the chorus, then Lisa's lines. Okay, दे दूं तुझको दुनिया भी पर जाना ना दिल लेकर. If it is what it's meant to be, फिर साथ मुझे तू ले चल. Can we stay up all night? Can you make sure you by my side? This, where she switched to English, was so smooth.
Yeah.
Really like, ना कोई बात जो तुझसे छुपाई, no lies, ना कोई प्यार है ऐसा, तेरे चैन में चैन है मेरा, छोड़ के ना जाऊं अब मेरी जान. Mary John. Then the chorus, and then there was a bridge, which was this is the part I really like this bit. Don't leave me, leave me, leave me, don't leave me. Chhod ke na ja, baby, yeah. Never known a love like this. You're my ecstasy, my bliss, yeah. All this singing bit. है ना? Baby, tu hi hai Mary John. And then the outro, which is the chorus, which was in that treatment, which is still like slightly strange, but we like it. I didn't mind it, but I feel like it came in too quick. We needed an act 3.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, I
For
agree
sure.
with you there.
Like I
fully.
feel that one little punch or something, that some
Kuch-
drama, something which makes it like, अरे वाह, ये क्या किया इन्होंने? Like, you know, that was missing.
हाँ, कुछ
Which we're very
story
used
का
to. Like you had
conclusion.
said earlier, कि कृष्णा सुनने वाले थोड़े anyway spoiled जनता होती है, because we're so used to such levels of, you know, goodness in a song. So I guess some part of it maybe is coming from there as well. कि अगर same गाना हमने किसी और से सुना होता, we must have been like, हाँ ठीक है, we probably would have said the same thing, but still would have been more accepting of it.
Yeah, but I feel this is a very loopable song. It's kind of in that zone of
Yeah.
his.
Yeah.
What was that song of his that the video is shot in London, which
Yeah. वो बस पे and उस पे I पे
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
and all that. फर्क नहीं
It's
पड़ता.
in that sort of sonic vibe space, which is a very easy to listen to track. You know.
This one was, I did not feel this one was easy to listen to, dude.
really.
This one, like with that
felt
whole,
like-
with the way the shifts and the changes and the bar, this thing was happening. It was very like मेको on a, if I listen to the song properly, एक shot में सुन के ऐसे बैठ के properly ऐसे कान लगा के ना मुझे anxiety हो जाए. Like I will need to.
This song, what's up?
It's got a very smooth this thing, but because the bars are so many and it is so packed with bars. Wait, I'm mixing it up.
You're mixing
I'm
it
going
up.
back to the previous
You're
song.
going back
हाँ,
to Shut
correct,
Up.
correct. I went to Shut Up. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
I went to Shut Up in my head. हाँ. Correct.
ये वाला गाना, ये बहुत smooth, easy वाला है, like
ये तो
Rider.
बहुत easy था. Correct.
है
This
ना?
is like, yeah, this is fully
Yeah.
that. Sorry, I forgot we're doing the love song. Yes. It's all.
What is happening? Okay, I think it's time for
I'm
us.
hungry.
I know.
मेरा आधा टोस्ट बचा हुआ है जो मैंने सुबह से खाया नहीं है. मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ उसके साथ कि like मैं खाऊंगी.
Okay, we're gonna end this here. We'll see you in the
Yes.
last 2 tracks ka video. Let her finish her
Yes.
toast, and
Yes.
you all take care. Let us know what you thought of this whole discussion we just had, and your thoughts on both of these tracks so far. I'm not gonna pick a favorites. We'll talk about everything at the end of the 4 songs, है ना?
Yeah.
Our top
correct.
1, 2, 3 जो भी करना है. Okay, वहाँ
Yes,
करेंगे.
yes.
चलो, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.
एक बार तू पुकार मुझे याद कर जानी इजहार कर डाली जैसे प्यार रे कवालिया She said what's up मैंने बोला मेरा नाम उस baby on top is where I belong वो बोली